Hello everyone, I'm AV and today I'm gonna say how can you install Beef applications. First of all, open your browser and search beeffinance.live and see this is a website and open three button and then look blocks. Tap blocks and see both applications, both options like Beef Clothes and Beef Finance APK and install both. Then you install both. When you install it, then you log in. Provide your mail ID and some details, your name. Then you also eligible for our airdrop and our tips. Both application, okay, and install it and log in and do continue your mining and focus your mining. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye, guys. Focus, look this video and maybe you understand what I say. Okay, guys. Bye bye. Thank you so much.